Okay, the next step is to fold and cut. So those 4 squares that you have, take one and you're going to fold in half. Make sure you match up your corners and make sure you get a good fold. You don't want to have to fold it a second time. Open it up, turn it, fold it in half again. So you've divided it into 4 equal squares. And you want to do this to each square. I think I have 3. Oh, one more. Nice and folded. Okay, the next step after you fold is to cut. Very important to only cut on one side. So I'm going to make a dot in the middle. We are going to cut on this broken line. And we're going to do that to all 4. So, cut, again, stop at the middle. Okay, this is going to make our room of the house. Let's see. Here's an example of one room. Okay, we need 4 of those. So do that to every single paper you have. Oh, all 4 papers. 1, 2, 3. And 4. Nice, neat cuts. Okay. Now we're ready to start drawing. So in the next video, I will go over how to add your creativity to this project.